Installation and operating tutorial for semi-automatic pneumatic piston filling machine. After receiving the machine, it's a wooden case, a carton. The wooden box is opened by the host machine. Then the carton opens to a funnel. After the machine is turned on, first of all, this location. This side sink port is installed here. Put this gasket in the middle of it. Then this buckle tightens it a little bit. After the card is stuck, then attach this funnel to this one. There is also a gasket in the middle of the funnel. Also put it in the middle. Then this buckle locks it. After locking, there is an accessory bag here. Take out the accessory bag and power cord. Then these sealing rings are spare. Don't use it yet. Take out the power cord. Plug it in. Plug in. Then air connect. You need to reconfigure this air pump yourself. This machine does not have an air pump. This air pump should be equipped with. This trachea has an outer diameter of 8 mm. Trachea with a direct outer diameter of 8 mm. Plug it in directly from this position. It locks when you plug it in. This doesn't require a connector. If you want to pull it out, push the white one directly inside. Here it comes. After connecting it, it is basically installed. Then turn on the power supply. Here is a green one. Press the power switch to turn it on. Air pressure on. And then here's an emergency stop switch that flips on. There's a detent and brake switch. When adjusted to subtraction, it is this foot pedal. Press the foot pedal to change it once. You don't need to press this foot pedal to adjust this brake. Then add the material to this. You can start working. Adjust the filling volume to adjust this position. This rocker, here. The more the top cone is often filled out. If you adjust it back, the less it will be filled. For example, my current machine is 50 to 500 grams. If you adjust to this position, it will be 50. The maximum is 500. Specifically, your first time, you need to try it first according to your own product. For example, the first time you said you need 300 milliliters. You adjust to this position of 13. It comes out exactly 300 milliliters. Then this screw locks it. Just fasten it. Then every time it comes out, it's 300.